Good morning all of you. Today we will continue with the chapter. This is chapter number 2 and the name of the chapter is January Night. In the previous video lesson we have discussed that there is a character whose name was Halku. He was a farmer. He has given 3 rupees to the landlord and he was sleeping in the field to guard his field while the weather was very cold and cold weather was tormenting him badly. So he hugged his dog Jabra. Afterwards he decided to burn a fire to make himself warm. So after feeling warm he was feeling drowsy and he slept for some time. Meanwhile some animals entered in his field and they grazed the entire field. Okay, so from now we will begin. Now Halku got up and said, "Then you have just come from the field. Yes, the whole field ruined and you could sleep like that. Why did you bother to put up the shelter anyway?" So now Munni, his wife, is saying that you are sleeping here and all the field is what? All the field is grazed by the animals. All the field is flattened, right? So why you have decided to change your shelter? Wherever you were sleeping, you should sleep over there only. Why you have changed your shelter? तुमने अपना जगह बदल क्यों लिया? चेंज क्यों कर दिया? है ना? Halku sought an excuse. I nearly died and just managed to get through the night and you worry about your crop. Now Halku is giving the excuse that I was almost died. I was almost died. मैं मर ही नहीं वाला था. Although I managed through something, किसी तरह मैंने manage किया. And you are worrying about the crop. और तुम्हें crops की चिंता है, तुम्हें अनाजों की चिंता है. Then the two of them walked to the edge of their land. He looked, the whole field had been trampled. Munni's face was shadowed with grief, but Halku was content. So now they were on the edge of their field, of their land, means they were seeing the entire land and the whole land was trampled. Okay, means the land was what? It was grazed by the animals, it was flattened. Munni's face was saddened. Okay, Munni's face was saddened means she was very sad because animal has entered to the field and they had grazed the field, right? But Halku was content, means Halku was somewhat satisfied with that, means he was not having that much sadness on his face. He was not angry also. There was no such feeling on his face. Munni said, now you will have to hire yourself out to earn some money to pay off the rent and taxes. So now Munni is saying that you have to do some work to pay the rent to the landlord and to pay the tax to the landlord. Okay, so now with a contented smile Halku said, but I won't have to sleep night out here in the cold. So now Halku is saying with a satisfied face that it's okay, I will hire myself somewhere, right? But now I do not have to sleep in the night in this cold weather outside in the fields. Okay, so now he is saying that now there is no need to lie outside in the cold weather in the field. Okay, because all the field is grazed by the animals. And if you talk about the taxes, if you talk about the rent, I will work and I will pay the rent. So this was the story of Premchand, right? Isn't it? It was an amazing story. Now come to the reference to context. So this is the reward you get for farming. Who says this and to whom? So as you know, this is the reward you get from farming. ये किसने कहा था? Who has said this? So this was the line which was said by Halku to his dog Jabra. Okay, now when does the speaker make this statement? And when this statement has made by the speaker, as you know, he makes this statement one dark January night when he and Jabra are guarding the crop in the field. When they were guarding the crop in the field, when they were preventing the crops in the field, and there was January night, it was very cold night, right? In that night cold weather was tormenting them. So at that time he made this statement that we are doing all the hard work and someone else will take the reward of this hard work. Okay, now what is the reward that the speaker mentions? So what is the reward here? The reward is to have to stay out in the cold and suffer from poverty. So what reward they are getting? They are getting the reward of staying out in the cold, means they have to stay out in the cold in such a cold weather. January night is the most coldest month of the year, right? January is the coldest month of the year, and if you will stay outside your home, you will be what? You will be frozen. So this is something which is very what? Which is very painful. But they have to stay outside in January night to prevent their crops, and they have to suffer from poverty also. गरीबी से भी उन्हें जूझना पड़ता था. Okay? Now, in the flickering light, the immense trees of the grove looked as though they were carrying the vast darkness on their head. So in the flickering light, means light was flickering continuously, light flicker हो रही थी, जल रही थी, बुझ रही थी. The immense trees of the grove में जितनी immense trees थी, they were carrying the vast darkness. वो बहुत ज़्यादा अंधेरे को क्या कर रही थी? Carry कर रही थी on their head. Where was the light coming from? So where was the light? As you know, Halku has burned a fire, right or not? From the leaves, right? So he has burned the fire. So from that fire only light was coming. The light was coming from the fire that Halku had light in the mango grove. Okay? Where was the grove? The grove was near the field of crops. Grove, where was the crop? So grove was near the field of crops. So, who was in the grove at this time and what were they doing? At that time, who was in the grove and what they were doing? As you know, only Halku and Jabra were in the grove. Only they were in the grove at that time. And Halku had gathered leaves. Halku was gathering leaves. He was collecting leaves. And he and Jabra were relaxing in the warmth of the bonfire. They have burned a fire and they were warming themselves from that particular fire because their hands, their legs were frozen. They were numb, means they were not able to feel anything. So they have decided to burn a fire so that they can make themselves warm. Okay? So you have to do this work in your classwork copy. Okay, so now the chapter is completed. Hope you have understand the chapter properly. Now I will tell you the entire summary of the chapter. Okay. So, as you know that in the firstly what happened, this is the name of the character. This is what? He is Halku. Okay. So Halku is what? He is a farmer. He was doing a tenant farming in which a person take land from some another person and he do farming in that particular land. Okay. So now landlord was standing outside their home. He was demanding for rent. So from Munni he has taken 3 rupees and then he has given that 3 rupees to the landlord. But he was very sad because he has accumulated that 3 rupees. He has collected that 3 rupees for purchasing a blanket, but now he was not having that 3 rupees also. Now in the cold January night he has to sleep outside in the field, which was a very painful act. But although he has to sleep in the night over there, so in the cold January night he was sleeping in a bamboo cot. Okay, and he has wrapped a old shawl. As you know, he is wearing a old shawl, so he has wrapped himself in a old shawl. But the cold weather was continuously tormenting him. It was harassing him, so he was incapable of sleeping. He was not able to sleep. So that is why he hugged his dog Jabra. Okay, Jabra, after hugging Jabra, he was getting some warmth from his body, and his dog Jabra was feeling like that he was in a heaven because his owner Halku has hugged him. Okay, but afterwards, as you know, the cold weather was continuously blowing and continuously wind was blowing, so they were feeling very painful. In that condition they were not able to sleep even, right? So they have decided that they will burn fire from collecting the leaves in the garden, and then they decided to collect the leaves from the garden, and then afterwards they have decided that they will burn the fire and they will take the warmth from the fire and they will toast themselves until they are feeling good. Okay, so that is what they have decided. So they were doing that. Afterwards, what happened? Halku was feeling drowsy and he began to sleep. Meanwhile, Jabra heard a voice of some animals that animals had arrived in their field and they were grazing the field, they were eating the crops. So he was continuously barking. Halku was also shouting Jabra, Jabra, but he was not having that much capacity to go and to chase the animals. He was feeling drowsy and that is why he was sleeping at that time. But in the morning when Munni arrived, she said, "What are you doing? You are sleeping here." And the entire field is being grazed by the animals. So now what you have to do? You have to hire yourself. You have to earn some amount of money to pay the rent, to pay the taxes to the landlord, because all the field is grazed by the animal. So with a contented smile on his face, he said, "Okay, I will hire myself, I will earn some amount of money and then I will give the money to the landlord. But the most important thing is that now I do not have to sleep in this January night outside in the field." Okay, so this was the story which was written by Premchandra. Okay, hope you have understand the lesson properly. Thank you.